not getting consistent sales on Etsy? I've got you covered. I'll be sharing 5 tips that instantly get you more sales on Etsy without any ads. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is May, and on this channel I aim to help online entrepreneurs grow their online business and create a massive online income. So if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the little bell so that you won't miss any of my future videos. In my last Etsy video, I talked about how to make $100,000 selling digital products, and many of you are interested to learn marketing strategies to get more sales on Etsy. So in today's Etsy tutorial, I will be sharing 5 tips that instantly get you more sales without the need to pay for ads. To stick till the end of this video because I will have a bonus tip for you. The very first tip is eye-catching thumbnail. Your listing's thumbnail photo is the first thing that Etsy shoppers see. So in order to attract browsers to click on your listing, the thumbnail need to be eye-catching. Make sure you include some clear and bright photos like these digital planners. The thumbnail is very colorful, and at one glance we know that they are selling planners. Don't forget to include some big bold text describing the benefits or main feature of the product on the thumbnail photo. For example, this social media post templates listing. The seller include April post done for you as the main feature text. This is very appealing to Etsy shoppers who is looking to settle the whole April's social media post. Even I have the urge to buy this. Tip number 2 is include most search keywords on titles, tags, and description. When it comes to selling digital products on Etsy, it can get quite competitive. So it is recommended to do research on the keywords to put on the titles, tags, and description. One way to beat that is to use long tail keywords that are specific to your digital products. This can improve the chance of the right shoppers seeing your products. Instead of using generic keywords like templates and planners, try using long tail keywords like real estate social media templates and digital planners for iPad. When you use keywords that are more specific, it helps you match your product to the right shoppers, therefore generating more clicks for your listings. Tip number 3 is change Etsy tags or titles when the listing is not performing. Some keywords do perform better than others, and some keywords may be less competitive. So by changing up and trying different keywords every now and then, it may boost the visibility of your listing, and this will eventually help to increase your sales on Etsy. Tip number 4 is set up branded page on social media platforms. Etsy is a high traffic marketplace, and that's the reason why I love using this platform to sell digital products. However, some listings may not perform so well, and sometimes your sales become stagnant. It may get quite hard to scale up the business at times. So in order to bring in more traffic to your listing, we need to drive external traffic, and the best way to do that is to have social presence. Tip number 5 is to include the products in your drop servicing business. Since most of the sellable digital downloads targets entrepreneurs and business owners, you can use these digital products as an upsell for your drop servicing business. This is very effective in increasing your sales revenue. Not only that, these digital products can be a very good marketing tool to entice prospects to opt in to your email list. Offer the digital product as a lead magnet when you're promoting your brand at a very irresistible price like $7. You'll get 2 things out of this marketing campaign. Number 1 is the $7 sale, and number 2 is your email database, which has a greater potential to close higher ticket sales for your services. This can be done through a sales funnel, and I will leave this topic for my future videos. If you're interested to learn about this, comment sales funnel below and I will do a video on this. Now here's the promised bonus tip for those who stayed till the end, and that is to start your Etsy shop with at least 10 listings and have new listings every single month. It is very important that you make your shop look legit and active on Etsy. Once you have started making some sales, you should start adding new digital products to your shop. By then, you have an idea of what your customers are liking and buying. Use what is working and see how you can add new digital products to your Etsy shop. The more listings you have, the better. but you want to make sure they are going to get the customer's attention and sell. I hope that these 6 tips are able to help you scale your Etsy shop without the need to pay for any advertisement, and the digital assets that you have created are able to give you your desired passive income. That's all for the video today. Don't forget to leave questions regarding today's topic in the comment section below if you have any, and I will see you in my next one. Bye bye!